Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this Toyota 2022 Sienna and we're going to install the tints on the headlight here. So let's get started. So this is how the headlight looks before the installation. As you can see, this is the default look, and then this is how it looks once the installation is done. As you can see, the light still shines through the headlight as well as provide protection from yellowing over time. So with that being said, let's get started with the installation. Before starting the installation, we want to clean the headlight first. So we're going to apply slip solution all around and then just clean it all off before we start with the installation. We're going to start off by aligning the headlight to this part first. That way we're able to stretch to this end and then afterwards to the last part here. And this is just so you could move the film around and you're able to align it to where the position you want it to. So it should be right around there. And from here, once you have it in position, we're gonna tack it down. So lift the film up just a bit, apply tack solution underneath the film and on top, squeegee it in place to tack it down. Before we continue on, we wanna make sure this is tacked down, because once we stretch, if this thing moves out of position, we're gonna have to go back and align it. So we wanna make sure everything's good and it's not moving. Once you see it's good, then we're able to proceed to the next step, which is stretching to this edge. Apply tack solution on the headlight and on the film, and then place it down. Once you place it down, stretch it to this end. If you need to dry up the area to get a better grip, you can. So it's just stretching the film. Once you have it in position, the next thing is tacking down with tack solution. So just continue tacking everything down. And now you're able to continue off here. So there's not going to be much fingers anymore, so you're able to just tack down. So once it's tacked down on that end, we could work our way on this end. So here we're just going to lift the film just up to here, the middle part where we still need a squeegee. Alright, tack solution. So just stretch it. Once you have it in the position you need it to, we go ahead and start tacking down the rest of the film. So you are going to see some of the film start lifting, but right here we're just going to lift the film a bit and we're going to tack it down with tack solution. As you can see now, the film is sitting and it's not lifting like how it was before. Lift it one more time so we can remove this finger. Just apply slip solution, stretch upward, that way we can remove this finger and meet it to the edge over there. And with tack solution, you just bring it back down. So the last remaining part is here. Apply tack solution and then with heat, slowly, little by little, start removing it. You can break them down, separate them, and then just start going at an angle, start squeegeeing them down. Once you finish this part, which is just tack solution, separating the fingers, and then with heat tagging it down, the last thing is just post heating, that way nothing lifts up over time, and you're good to go. So we're just gonna post heat the whole area. And you're done. If you guys like how the tint on the headlight looks for the Toyota Sienna, we'll provide a link in the description below. But with that being said, until then, see you guys on the next video.